Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2021 Grand Design Reflection, and this unit came in, the owner actually wanted to do the Roadmaster upgrade, so we're doing the Roadmaster set for him. He also decided to do the cross braces. So this particular unit, we didn't end up finding any frame issues with it, which was fantastic. But I will get more pictures and posts on it. But here's Jim underneath here live. Doesn't probably know I'm recording him, but he's installing that Roadmaster kit. And then as you can see underneath here, that's the cross braces. Those are made by Morride, that's the X Factors, and that's the cross supports that tie into the leaf spring hanger, and it bolts together and goes all the way across to the side. We've done those on the front and the back. Typically you don't put them on the centers if you're doing a Roadmaster kit, plus the Roadmaster kit is a housing, so it's keeping all that frame and everything all solid and permanent anyways. So anyways, I'm gonna let Jim get back to doing what he's doing. Stay tuned for more. If you haven't seen any of our videos or other posts or articles on these products, check out our YouTube or check out our website for more details. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day, and I'll report back as we get more progress done on this one. Thanks again. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist.